Hi, in this short clip from SolarWinds, it covers the RMM monitoring tool. That's remote monitoring and management software to let you manage your client's computers remotely. You'll be able to patch software, you'll be able to monitor their desktops and fix problems all from your desk. Check it out here.
SolarWinds Remote Monitoring and Management is a lightweight solution that helps save you time by automating IT support tasks and improving the visibility and control of your desktops. View the health of all your desktops at a glance, and sort and prioritize alerts so you can address problems before your end users are impacted. Simplify asset management and increase visibility of installed software to help ensure compliance and improve purchasing decisions. Automate routine tasks across hundreds or even thousands of devices, and across operating systems as well. For example, you can install patches, force regular reboots, or set thresholds to clean up disk space before it runs out. Get up and running in minutes with default automation settings and a whole library of scripts. Or customize your own scripts with a simple drag-and-drop editor. With RMM, you don't need separate solutions for monitoring and support. The remote control feature lets you quickly perform maintenance without disrupting end users and without leaving your desk. Take advantage of free onboarding assistance and 24/7 technical support. And as your needs change, you can easily integrate other products like backup, endpoint security, and password protection to expand your desktop management capabilities. Save valuable time securing and maintaining your infrastructure and improving your end user's experience with SolarWinds Remote Monitoring and Management.